I spend a lot of nights away from home in hotel rooms because I travel for work, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to determine if your bed sheets have been changed, because oftentimes they are not, especially if there was a business traveler that maybe is on a project, the project wraps early, or maybe there is an emergency and they need to leave. If housekeeping has already refreshed that room for the day, but not changed the sheets because the guest was not scheduled to check out, they will just check that hotel room out at the front desk. I know, because I used to work at a hotel when I was in undergrad, and then that room shows that it was clean and it's checked out to another guest. So just take a look at this. Do you see those lines? That is not from fresh sheets. That only happens after you have slept in the bed. And I'm going to show you here in just a second what a bed looks like that has been freshly changed. So you always want to make sure that you are checking the sheets as soon as you check in. Never, ever, ever lay on the comforter unless you've gotten fresh linen from downstairs and you're going to change it yourself. Hotels have a rule: if it comes out of the room, it must be washed. So if you get it from the front desk or from housekeeping, the housekeeping closet in some hotels, you'll be sure to have fresh sheets. Now, it is an absolute pain after a long day of travel to have to do this, but I sleep better at night knowing that the sheets were changed, because this is not. These sheets were semi-wrinkled, but you can tell that once you put fresh linen on a bed, you're not going to be able to see the mattress lines. So I don't care what housekeeping says. I don't care how much you're paying for the room every night. That is a surefire way for you to check to make sure that the bed linen is fresh. See the difference?